Something funny?
Pay no attention to my laugh. I'm perverted in that respect.
Are you laughing at me?
No.
Word of honor?
Word of honor.
People used to make fun of me all the time.
You must have imagined that.
They used to yell things at me. I didn't imagine that.
Well, sometimes people can be unkind without really meaning to be.
You know what they used to yell at me?
No.
Hey, X9, where you going?
That doesn't seem too bad.
That's what they used to call me. Secret Agent X9. Or, where you going, X9? They really would have been surprised if I had have stopped and told them where I was actually going.
You mean you had some premonition that you would be here?
I was going to Vic's hobby shop. They all knew I was going there, but they didn't know what really went on there. They would have really been pretty surprised, especially the girls. The girls didn't think I knew anything about girls.
What really went on?
I was actually screwing Vic's wife. And I guess that's why I was always kind of falling asleep in class at the time. And didn't realize my full potential, I suppose.